Hi everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have Christmas books from Book Outlet. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited to share my Book Outlet haul that is all Christmas books. If you've seen my channel before, you would have known that I love Book Outlet. It is the best place to buy highly discounted books that are brand new, super duper cheap. You get the books for a few dollars a piece. There's so many ways to save with Book Outlet. Number one is the books are just inexpensive. They are cheap. And then they always have some kind of sale going on. They have a 20% off sale, 15% off, buy 2 books get 1 free. Always something going on to add to the discount. Next is they always have free shipping for all orders over $35. And another thing is if you've never put in a book to Book Outlet, I do have a referral code down below that will give you $10 off your order on top of all those savings. Okay, so enough of that. I get so excited about discounted books, and they have books for children and adults too. So that's one other thing. So on to the books. I'm going to start with this first one here. And this is a little book set, some little board books that are all Christmas themed. This one's called Santa's Workshop. And let me open them up and see. Now, I don't have any babies to use these baby books, but I do have some friends with children that I will probably pass these on to. But they were just so cute that I could not pass them up. So first we have this snowflake house. It's cute little pictures inside, and then there's little penguins. And next we have the gingerbread house. It has cute stories of, looks like Mrs. And Mr. Claus. And then a Santa's Workshop book with the elves inside. So these are so cute. I can't wait to pass these on as a Christmas gift this year. And next, okay, so you know that I love Usborne books. I sell Usborne books. I want all the Usborne books, and Book Outlet has Usborne books. They have new books that you can get on the Usborne website for a lot less cheap. You didn't hear that from me, but they do have some, and I did buy one from Book Outlet. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell any of my Usborne friends that I bought this. But yeah, they have new books, and then they also have a ton of discontinued ones that you cannot get anymore. And I love to collect those as well. So this is one of the ones that is on the website now. It's called Usborne Fold Out Books Christmas. So this one has all these cute little fold out pages to make a scene. And this one is cute. And this one is perfect for babies that are doing kind of tummy time, where you can kind of just prop these books up on the floor next to them. Has a lot of the black and white and red colors that I know babies can see really well. So excited to find this one. And next I have Step Into the Nutcracker. And this one looks very cool. It has all these different kind of pages that build on to each other. And I love the story of the Nutcracker. So this one's going to be a lot of fun. And next is one I bought for myself. Yes, I did buy myself a children's book for Christmas, but you'll see why in a second. This one is called The Usborne Fold Out in Color. Welcome to the Christmas Market. This is something that is not available with Usborne anymore, but you can find it on Book Outlet. And this one has all kinds of cute scenes here from a Christmas market. I'm obsessed with Germany and anything that has to do with German things, and Christmas markets is one of the things they're known for. So I thought this would be a lot of fun to color in, and it has kind of the scratch what are those called? Transfers, scratch off transfers that you could put in the pictures too. So I thought this would be something fun I could do with the girls, but it's mostly for me. And next is something else that I guess is for me as well. And this is Usborne Christmas sticky labels. This is not available with Usborne right now. This is something from a long time ago. And it is a book full of Christmas tags or labels to put on your gifts. So this is something for my whole family to use. Looks like they have a lot of different tags in here, and this will last us a very long time. Okay, next I have Usborne Christmas Wonderland to color. This is another one that is not available anymore. This one has a bunch of pages that are half colored and you finish the pictures. So I thought this one had a lot of nice scenes inside to color. Okay, and next I have this picture book called Fletcher and the Snowflake Christmas. Looks like a really nice story. This is the first time I'm opening all these books. I saw the covers when I opened the box, but I didn't actually look inside the books yet, so I'm not exactly sure what this is about, but it looked like a really cute story. Okay, next is National Geographic Kids Celebrate Christmas, and I'm super excited that I found this one because we are going to be doing Christmas school in December, and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified because I'm going to do 2 flip-throughs of 2 different Christmas curriculums that we are going to be using this December. And one of the ones we're using is Gather Around Homeschool's Christmas Around the World. So I thought this Celebrate Christmas Holidays Around the World book would be perfect. And the thing is, with Book Outlet, you might see this and say, oh, I want this, and go look for it, and it might not be available anymore because once all the books are gone, they're gone. But I did see this one on Amazon, and I will link it down below in my Amazon storefront down below if you're interested in this one, if you're planning on doing that curriculum. So this one just kind of goes through all different places around the world and their different traditions that they do at Christmas time. So this is going to be a perfect addition to our curriculum. Next, I got a very Merry Christmas Prayer Seek and Find book. So this is just one of those traditional seek and find books where it tells you to find all these things down below in the picture. My youngest daughter really loves these type of books. And it has the most beautiful pictures inside. So I'm excited about this one for her. Okay, next are a few that I showed in my very first Book Outlet haul that was a few months ago. So I'm not sure if you saw that already, so you might not want to see these, but I'm pretty sure that these are still available on Book Outlet right now. So I just kind of want to give you a little quick showing of these books so you can see them if you're interested in getting them. So the Usborne Rub Down Transfer book, Christmas, with over 1,000 transfers. This one's not available with Usborne right now. So this has a few pages in here that you can decorate with the transfers that are in the front here. It looks like they have a bunch of pages of transfers. I have this one that is a window sticker Christmas gel clings. And the gel clings come in the front, but it's also an activity book with all kinds of fun activities inside. And in the back it has some punch outs to do. And I got this one, the Halloween one, and my girls are really enjoying that right now. They punched out there was like a haunted house and some kids with their costumes in the back. They punched it out, and my youngest is playing with all the little people. Next is Usborne Sticker Puzzle Christmas. This one is not available with Usborne anymore. And this one is a puzzle book that also has stickers in it as well. There's the stickers in the back. And I don't think I showed this one in my Book Outlet haul last time. Yeah, I'm not sure if I showed that one. But here is Usborne's first sticker book Christmas, another one that is not available anymore. And we have the pages here with the stickers. So my kids love sticker books. So they're gonna have fun with that. This one's the Nativity sticker book, another Usborne one that's not available anymore. And this one is probably for older kids, and it has all kinds of art inside that represents Christmas and Christ. And then here's all the stickers inside. So this would be perfect if you're doing some kind of art study for Christmas. And I have two more. I have the Usborne book of Christmas art ideas. This is so much fun. This is not available on the website now, but it has all kinds of ideas of different crafts that you can do for this holiday season. So we will probably be doing some of these coming up soon. And last, one more, Usborne Mosaic Sticker Christmas. And this one looks like so much fun. So this has different scenes in here, and it has directions on the side where it shows you what to make in the boxes. Back here, and then it has all the mosaic tiles in the back. So this one looks like so much fun. So that's probably for an older child as well. So what do you think? What one was your favorite? Are you gonna try to pick up any of these books for Christmas this year? Along with these books that I shown, they also had activities, they have toys, books, so many great ways to buy holiday gifts this year and save a lot of money. And don't forget about that referral code I have down below for the $10 off. I want to thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed looking at all these books. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Please give it a thumbs up, and please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. I have so many great videos coming up. Most of them are holiday themed, so I'm so excited to share those with you, and I hope you're excited as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas. Bye everyone.
Bye.